6 months. I know y'all missed me, as if y'all noticed I was gone or y'all actually watch these videos, but you know, this is more for me. Okay, so today we are, why am I starting already? Today we are going to be making cookies, because when you mess up, like and not post for 6 months, you make cookies to apologize. Even though I'm going to be eating these cookies and not you guys, but it seems like the best idea. So, we're going to take, why am I making a video for this? This is the simplest recipe ever. I'm going to take a cup of Quick Oats, a banana, just like that. I went to go throw away the banana peel, that's why there's a little cut right there, because I didn't think I wanted the blank screen for a little bit. And then take a handful of chocolate chips, like so. And just like another half handful, because like, who doesn't like chocolate chips? And then you're gonna get a fork and just kind of mash it. Y'all want to see the process? Should I get a view of the process? I should get a view of this. So I switched up the camera view for a little top angle because we love a bird's eye view. As you can see, I'm just mashing the banana and getting it all stuck to the Quick Oats. I used to use rolled oats and then I realized you really weren't supposed to use rolled oats. And we're done mixing. So now that we're done mixing, I was supposed to tell you to preheat the oven to 350. Oops, it's not too late. So then you're going to take a ball of the cookie dough, and then you are going to place it on the cookie sheet, and you're going to flatten it a little bit because it's not going to expand because it doesn't have yeast or anything really except for oats and a banana and chocolate chips. So you're going to flatten it to like that size, like you'll see when they come out, because I don't feel like changing the camera angle yet. And you're just going to keep doing that. You're just going to keep rolling these balls and just sticking them down. It's really not hard. You can be the coolest mom at the bake sale with these. So I'm going to keep rolling these, and I will see you when, should I see you when I put them in the oven, or should I see you when they're out of the oven? Because like, when they're going in the oven, they're going to look the same as when they come out of the oven, except a little bit browner. So you'll just see them when they come out of the oven, okay? Cool. Honestly, the balls don't have to like be perfectly circular because you're really just flattening it at the end. So I just make it like, I just grab a little handful honestly, and then I just slap it down on the parchment paper like that. And then I kind of like mold it into like something that doesn't look completely deformed, and it seems to be working for me. So don't waste your time too much on making the balls. I know I said I'd be back after I put the cookies in the oven, but can we just talk about how this made 11? Not 12, 11. Like, I don't think I'd even be mad if it was 10, but like 11. Hello? Like, there's an empty spot now. Kind of mad. It's okay. Anyways, you're gonna put these in the oven for about 15 minutes until they get a little bit brown on the top, because then they'll be baked, because that's how the oven works. And I'll see you then. Now that everything's ready and baked, you can eat them now. Why did I explain that? But anyways, let me find a cool cookie to show you close. I'm gonna choose this one. And that is it, you guys. See you on next week's cooking show, or in 6 months. You never know what's gonna happen. See you later.